Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Rada. In this video, we are going to do the unboxing haul. I've got this a couple weeks ago on Black Fridays and the packages just arrived. So I'm so excited to show you guys what I got for the holiday season. There are some clothing, skincare, home decor. Hopefully this will be helpful for holidays gift guide. Guys, I don't want to believe this is December already. 2024 is around the corner and it feels so fast. I bet some of you guys might finish Christmas home decor, and to be honest, this past couple weeks I've enjoyed Christmas home decorating so much. It feels really nice and cozy. It took me about 2 to 3 weeks to finish everything, and now I feel Christmas all around. My home right now feels a lot like a Christmas, and I am so excited for this end of the year and new year as well. Now let's start unboxings because we have quite a lot to show you guys, so let's do it. Let's start with Bath and Body Works because I feel like their products are good for everybody, your family, friends, or your company. You know, it's such a good gift for everyone. Everyone loves good smells, so this is such a good place to go shop, especially this end of the year. They always have the biggest sales, so I would say go check them out. They have a tons of sale items, so you might be able to find some for your loved ones. I got Wallflowers fragrance. It smells really good. It's made my home feels really nice. And also I got some of the 3 Wicks candles, and this is the mahogany teak wood, which I love the smell of it. It's just really refreshing. I've got the champagne toast, which I'm using it right now, and it makes my home smell really sweet and I love it. Now let's move on to my next purchase. I ordered 2 packs of ottomans from H&M. It's just the neutral paper ottomans, which I think it is really cute on the Christmas tree, and I just love neutral theme. So I think this would be perfect for my Christmas tree. So yeah, I got that mixing with my own ottomans, and it's turned out amazing. I also got something from Pottery Barn. This is the alphabet mug. Ooh. Definitely give you a Christmas vibe. I don't know why I love mug, but I realized that lately I've been into mug a lot. I don't know, maybe I'm getting old and I'm keeping my kitchen stuff more and more. I haven't used it since I got it, so I need to use it as soon as possible. Next is from Hollister, and I would say I haven't shopped from Hollister for years, I guess. There was a sale going on and I saw some of their basics, and these are what I got. It is a beige t-shirt, and I got this in size XS. I love the basic t-shirt. It can pair with everything, every occasion, every season. So this is a very cute piece. The material is pretty soft and not too thin, which I love. Should be perfect to layer under sweater. And yeah, next I have this cute oversized knit sweater. This is in size S in beige kind of color. Has zipper on the top, which gives some little details. I could wear this every day since the material is super soft. I wish you can feel it, and it's pretty thick. It gives you warmth. If you want more oversized look, you can definitely size up, and I think it's really cute in oversized looking. And yeah, and the last item from Hollister is the sweater pants. Oh wow, this is so soft. Love the feeling of this sweatpants already. It's really soft and feels comfortable. Particular inside is frizz material. As you can see, it's straight laced, which I've never had one, so I am so excited to style this sweatpants, and you definitely can pair with these guys, which I'm so excited about. What I like about this sweatpants is also there are pockets on both sides, which I really like. I will love the pants even more if there is pockets, and these guys, there is a pocket. I love it. And this taupe color is everything. You definitely can match with white t-shirt, beige, or black or anything. It's just so cute. I got 3 pieces from Mango and one is not working, so I need to return one. But let me show you what I got from Mango. The first item from Mango is a pair of boots. I was looking for basic boots for a while already. I saw Mango had a big sales on shoes as well, so I went through it. I saw this pair and I thought it should be perfect for my outfit. And I really like the height of it. It's not too high. Really nice, fit me perfectly, and I am so excited to style these boots. And the next one that didn't work is the pleat skirt. I love this pleat skirt. The only thing I have is the zipper didn't go through. It's kind of stuck right here. It didn't even go down, and I just feel bad about it because it's such a good deal and I really want to get it. This fabric is actually pretty good. It's thick enough to comfort your body, and I wish I could keep this. And the last item from Mango just came. This is the dress, I believe. The black knit dress. It's the bodycon type, very stretchy, has a slit on the sides, which I think it gives a little detail for the basic piece. This classic piece is a must-have item for every woman. If you have an upcoming party and you don't know what to wear, I would definitely go with the black midi dress. I recently got some fun accessory from Target. It is fluffy teddy bear hat. How do you guys think? I think it's really cute. We have a plan to go to a very cold town, and I will probably bring this hat with me too because how cute this look is. And lastly, these are from H&M. H&M always have a good deal and classic designs, which I always shop for. This one is actually very similar to the Mango dress. This is the black maxi dress. I think it's always a good piece to have in your wardrobe. Got this in size XS and it fits me perfectly. Really flattering on me. I just love how classy it looks. It's turned really amazing. And the last item of this video is this cute fluffy jacket. It is so cute and stylish. I just love how it looks. I always fell in love on the fluffy jacket. As you can see, these come in like beige color, which I think I have so many matching stuff to pair with. So I'm really excited to style this jacket. The outside is very soft and fluffy, but the interior, it just looks like that. See, this kind of material is made with 100% polyester, so I'm not sure if it's gonna keep me that warm, but it's definitely cute. Yeah, you know, this might be with me on a trip as well. So here's come to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know in the comment down below which one you like the most, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, take care, happy holidays.